Hello students, let us begin. Properties of equipotential surface. We will study properties of equipotential surface. First property of equipotential surface. See, suppose you have any charge. So if charge is pointed, means we have a point charge at point O. So equipotential surface is spherical. At each point on this surface, potential is same. So this is called equipotential surface. First property of the equipotential surface will be the potential difference between any two points on the equipotential surface will be equal to 0. Why? As it is equipotential surface, therefore potential at each point are same. So VA will be equal to VB. Take any two arbitrary point on this equipotential surface, you will find potential will be same as it is equipotential surface. Therefore, potential difference between any two point VA minus VB will be equal to 0. So we can write first property, potential difference between any two point on an equipotential surface is equal to 0. So potential difference between any two points on equipotential surface is equal to 0. Second property, if we carry a test charge, any charge from one point to other, then work done in this process will be 0. We know that, as I explained in the definition of potential difference, that work done in carrying a charge from one point to other is called potential difference. So this will be VB minus VA. So W by Q naught, VB equal to VA. So the difference is 0. I already written. So W is equal to work done equal to 0. So in carrying a charge from one point to other on equipotential surface, the work done will be 0. So we can write second property, work done in carrying a charge from one point to other on an equipotential surface is equal to 0. So this is second property of equipotential surface. Now, as we seen in previous video, electric lines of forces due to equipotential surface. Listen, if we draw electric lines of forces, in the same case, you will find electric lines of forces are always perpendicular to equipotential surface. See, these are the electric lines of forces. So these electric lines of forces are always perpendicular to equipotential surface. देखिए, electric lines of forces equipotential surface पर perpendicular. So we can write third property, electric lines of forces are always perpendicular to equipotential surface. This is perpendicular equipotential surface. Now, fourth and important property of equipotential surface, we can draw different equipotential surface due to the same charge. मान लीजिए एक हम स्फीयर और नजदीक बनाएं, इस चार्ज के कारण इन सभी पॉइंट पर पोटेंशियल सेम आएगा, तो ये भी एक इक्विपोटेंशियल सरफेस है, ये भी एक इक्विपोटेंशियल सरफेस है। इसका रेडियस कम है तो यहाँ वोल्टेज ज़्यादा होगा, हर पॉइंट पर पोटेंशियल ज़्यादा होगा। इसका रेडियस ज़्यादा है तो इसके हर पॉइंट पर पोटेंशियल कम होगा। तो मान लीजिए इसके हर पॉइंट पर 8 वोल्ट है, सपोज इसके हर पॉइंट पर 4 वोल्ट है, तो ये दो अलग अलग इक्विपोटेंशियल सरफेस हो गए। देखा गया है कि कभी भी दो अलग अलग इक्विपोटेंशियल सरफेस एक दूसरे को इंटरसेक्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं।